Hello, good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I will show you how to add multiple selected item into the database table. So here we have a table that is contain ID and root name. By using ListBox, we can select multiple items. Now, in this article, I want to show how to add multiple selected item save into the database table. So first of all, in the 5 items, uh, index start from the 0 to 4. Okay. Now select the selection mode is single to multiple. It means we can select multiple item from the list box. Okay. The logic behind to save multiple selection list box into the database table, that is, uh, first of all, get the item into a list. Okay, or you can say get selected item into the list. So first of all, create a list that is type of string and save selected item of the list box. That is the first method, uh, first logic. After that, the selected item list call one by one as a item in the insert command. Actually, here we use StringBuilder class. That means by using StringBuilder class, we can uh, add items one by one. Okay, so here we have a list of the string type, that is means of li l1 equals to new list of string, in which we can add selected items in the list. L1 dot if L1 dot selected, that is the logic. If that is item is selected, if L1 dot selected, oops, L sorry, item dot selected, it's not L1 dot selected, item dot selected, the type is list item and collection is listbox 1 dot items. Okay. Yeah, listbox 1 dot items. So here we have a items dot selected. The first item is apple. If selected, then uh, add another list, that is L1. So L1 dot add item dot text. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Here we have a L1 is a list. So I want to call just after the for each a single method, that is record inserted, in which method I want to pass the list instance, that is L1. Okay. In this method, record insert use SQL connection class that is available in system.data.sql client namespace. Okay, that is already defined in previous tutorial. Okay, so configuration manager dot connection string, pick the connection string from the web.config file, con.open. Similar things, the logic behind in the command text. Okay, the main logic behind in the command text. So create a SQL command, and in the command text I want to use for each loop for the each item of the selected list. So here we use insert into what? Insert into table name, that is fruits. Okay, fruits. But here we use parameters. And what parameter is used? That is ListBox. So here we use for each loop for the list item. So here we have a single item, that is fruit name. Okay, fruit name. And as a value, I want to insert item one by one from the list box. So only skip this part here. Okay, string query. Write the query here in the for each loop. Query equals to insert into create an instance of StringBuilder class that is available in system.io system.text namespace. By using the StringBuilder class, we can use append method. By using the append method, we can separate selected item. So here we have a StringBuilder class. Now apply the for each loop for each item of the list that is selected, or you can say selected list item, variable item in collections. And what collections? Pass it here, that is L1. Okay, so list, actually here we have a list, so right click on it and generate a method stub for this. We have yeah, list string type, that is L1. So copy this text and paste in the method. Remove this. Yeah, the best method. Variable item in L1 and the type is list item. Okay, oops, cannot convert type L1, so variable type. Okay, or you can take the string type because the list is a string type. Yeah, that's fine. So string builder is used here. Constant string query to insert into table name, and the table name is fruits. The according to previous and we have a only single name, that is fruit name. You can say single property in the table, that is fruit name, in which we can take values one by one of the selected list item values. So use the string append query. So string builder dot append, apply the string format here, dot append format. Similarly, the string format applied in the append by using the append format 0 and the 0 and in the square bracket we have a value of the fruit names, that is selected items. So first for refer to the query and second for item. Okay, now in the command text pass the string builder. Okay, string dot string builder dot to string Okay, for the each items, we have a separate query, that is insert into fruits and fruit name. The values is according to string builder, that is 0 is represent to query, that is the insert into fruits and fruits name values. Again, comma items, it means values after square small bracket comma and one refer for the items, that is selected item, that is apple. Comma is closed and bracket is closed, and the first query is completed. Similarly for the other items. So copy this connection string from the web.config file and paste it here. Okay, are you understand? That is my logic. uh, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorials. Please keep watching my all other video tutorials which is related to uh, ASP.NET and many more things of the technologies about oops, getting error. Okay, let's see your video and see your output. Thank you very much.